The project team has been reviewing the sample documents and now the deregulation batch. Let's use the Review Workflows page to see if it's time to run predictive coding. Our universe is selected. The Review Summary panel gives us a quick overview of the number of documents confirmed responsive. When we hover on the blue bar for an issue, the number of documents coded relevant to the issue displays. We are in good shape to kick off predictive coding for deregulation as 170 documents have been tagged relevant to that issue. Let's click the orange PC-enabled dot for this issue to display the predictive coding dashboard. And then click the Create Iteration button to start the predictive coding process. While this iteration is running, let's check the energy crisis issue status. 423 documents have been confirmed responsive to this issue. Let's click the orange dot to open the predictive coding dashboard, and then the Create Iteration button to start predictive coding for this issue. Our last issue, Stock Sales, is not quite ready. Only 30 documents have been confirmed responsive to the issue, so we will hold off on running predictive coding. Let's return to our energy crisis issue to see if we have predictive coding results. We'll click on the training dot for the issue. The categorization panel opens. In this case, training was successful, and we have 37 documents suggested for review, with an estimated 49.18% quality. Let's click the Energy Crisis link in the Name column and expand the Iterations folder and its subfolder. Each iteration folder contains two sets: the input set on which predictive coding was run, and the output set, which is the resulting suggested documents. The power of batching templates is evident here, in that the suggested documents were not only located by the system, but also automatically batched for review. In addition to batching suggested documents for review, at times you may want to view the entire set of predictive coding results to look for trends and prioritize documents. There are a couple of ways to do this. Since we are already on the Review Workflows page, let's use the Universe breadcrumb to return to our main universe and click again on the training dot in the PC and Training column for our Energy Crisis issue. This time, we'll click the successful link, which takes us to the analysis page that is filtered to the Energy Crisis results. The confidence column contains scores that correspond to how closely the documents compare to the model generated from the input set of relevant documents. The categorization column contains three values: suggested, agreed, or disagreed, and an associated smart filter located in the search panel can be used to filter the results of interest, agreed. A document tagged responsive to the issue value by a human reviewer was also found by the system to be relevant to the issue value. Suggested. The system is proposing a document for review because it has a high probability to be relevant to the input set issue value. Documents previously human-coded non-responsive may also be returned if the system believes the documents are relevant to the issue, but the human reviewer did not tag the issue value. These documents are not returned as disagreed because no predictive coding enabled values were coded in the issue field. Disagreed. The system suggestion is a mismatch with existing coding. Either the system did not find the document relevant to the human-coded issue value, or the system believes the document is relevant to the issue. The human reviewer instead tagged the document relevant to a different predictive coding enabled value in the issue field. Review of disagreed documents is a common QC workflow used to check existing tagging for coding inconsistencies. Filter to a category of documents using the categorization smart filter value. to review a different category of documents, make sure you clear your categorization filter before applying a different one.